All right, behind me I have 10 pros. It's gonna be me against 10 pros. Every frame, the pro gets older. Let's meet the guys. So we have a couple of PBA junior kids. You guys are both 17?
Yes.
Kakoa, we got Dan. They're gonna be your first and second frame. And then we have the PBA Rookie of the Year, Ryan Barnes. Who's next? Are you next?
I am next.
And we have the most unique bowler in the world, Tim Cagle. We're going Kyle Sherman, you guys know Kyle. 2 PBA Tour titles, 220 average bowler. And then following him up will be Marshall.
Right here.
Marshall Kent, 7-time champion?
Huh?
7 championships?
Sure.
7 championships.
Something like that.
He won the TOC. He's a good bowler. Oh, we have Brad Miller here.
I'm 23, by the way.
Bowling
Don't
at age? Yeah, he's 35. And then over here we have Chad Luce, strong player on the regional tour. And then to wrap it up, we have our oldest player on the squad, Eric Adolphson, also a PBA Tour winner. They're gonna bowl a Baker match. They each get 1 frame, and I have to try to take them down. I think they're gonna need to use a lot of teamwork and communication to figure out how the lanes are transitioning, but why is that funny?
Easy does. Nothing to it. It's only
yeah, I'm gonna start the match. It's me against them, a 1v10. I probably should have thrown a shot before we started. Oh, good luck, gentlemen.
Best of luck.
Good luck, good luck.
A little tight, Darren.
Tight like yesterday? Oh. My man wasn't joking.
I tried to tell him.
I thought the 15-minute break was gonna slow me down a little. All right, say less. It's YouTube, we gotta go for it. Oh. All right.
Who's going first?
Here we go.
This is your chance.
17-year-old pro. I don't think I got this. Where's my shammy? I gotta wipe my tears.
We already got him shaking in his boots. We haven't thrown a shot yet.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Ooh, I might have dodged a bullet.
We'll get them young kids out of the way.
I might have dodged a bullet. He was going for the 10. Whoa, we're even. Appreciate it. Let's go. He said I got to lock in. He only gets 1 frame. Yeah. All right, Dan. You're on the left.
Hey, we're tied now.
We're tied.
Wow, you put a little surface on your iron pool?
Put a lot of surface on it.
I might have to try that. You don't like it?
Oh, you weren't lying. That lane is tight.
It's so tight.
I thought you were just f***ing with me.
Oh no. Lay.
I don't really like this.
Good luck, Darren.
I don't really like
Good luck,
this.
you missed.
Thank you. You're a good guy, Brad. You're a good guy.
You get half the pin.
Didn't you win the Nagy one year?
I did.
All right. I like team bowling, and I'm bowling alone right now. Some good sportsmanship, I like it.
Well done. You throw an iron, you get
200 at the spare.
Wow, that was so good too. Thank you, sir. No, thank you, sir. I don't know. I'm so scared to give anybody a high five now. 6.
Great shot.
That's karma. Ah!
Let's go, team. Let's go. Pretty good. They're a little tight over here. Timothy.
A lot of play on these pairs, on this pair.
Good.
Go.
Terrible.
Hey, they're a little tight.
Terrible.
Tight. I told you they were tight.
You've been bowling here all day.
I know. Hey, get off my partner.
No. Like
They're
talking to my team. Like life partner? These guys are pros. They can only throw 1 strike.
All right.
Which I feel like is what the comment section would be saying.
I think you need to move.
I hear too many voices in my head. I think you were right. There we go.
I got him. I think we got him. Yo, I think he shook a little. Still haven't struck.
I'm not got yet.
Not got yet.
Not yet.
He's up 2.
Hey, never say never.
The young guys.
well done.
The ball has to touch 6 down lane.
Yeah.
6?
I think you should put it in the gutter.
Teen.
This is the Asian Ong test thing. No strikes yet on this lane.
Chad's got me got. I'm got.
Look at this guy. Wow.
Call yourselves pros. You guys can't even throw a strike.
I think we should start chanting his name. Oh, we got Shermanator.
I've got
The Shermanator.
Someone's got to step up.
encompass the packy energy.
Go. Work. Someone's got to ignite this team.
Very nice, very nice.
Come on, 220.
Oh, oh. Early double. Field. It's illegal? Welcome to the Brad and Kyle Open where ball changes are illegal. Ooh. Ooh.
Absolutely horrible. Horrible.
Horrible. You're such a good teammate, Brad. Can I change balls now? Oh, never mind. One-handed? Brad, you talk this much smack when you're bowling matches on tours?
No, I don't get to the matches. I don't get to the matches. I will qualify and go.
The worst part about this is, these are all my friends and they're talking smack to me.
That's what friends are for.
I think they're my friends.
Ooh, yeah. Yes, please.
That's the hooking lane. In typical Marshall fashion. That's a Tournament of Champions champion. We got a tight one here.
Tight.
Lane's tight, huh?
Yeah, very tight.
I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna let Brad
You're waiting for me to miss.
unfold.
You want me to miss so bad.
I don't. I want you to strike.
Uh-oh. Wheel.
Woo!
Bad rack.
This is why he doesn't make match play.
If anybody wants to pay me to talk crap to their opponent, I'm available.
I don't think it's working.
I wanted to move you like 3 boards right.
I stood very far left.
You were about 10. You were about 10 left of me. Ow. Hook it at your spares. Hook it at your spares.
We are 1, 2, 8, 10 away from winning.
Did you say the magic word? I'm there. There was no shot. That one was two pinning.
That one had the business.
he said 2 pin. I went, grab this one. That's the, I'm squeezing my butt cheeks real hard because the 9 pin's coming.
I got 50, you missed. Pushed it. That's not fair.
What kind of push you talking about, Brad? What kind of push you talking about?
The good news is if Darren strikes out, I didn't really cost him.
It's true.
Come on, Chad.
I'm on a 9 spare 7 just for you, Brad.
Oh, look at this.
In the basketball shorts. Nice shot, Brad. Wait. That's a big Brad. That's little Brad. Oh, he's on the appropriate lane too.
Oh, give some senior carry.
Good shot, good shot. Great shot.
He got lost in the 60s.
1992, that would have struck. That was a great shot.
Even better because he's 60 and he waited an entire game to throw a shot. See, going oldest to youngest would have been too much of a challenge. How do I get to 205? I think 09.
Might be like 0 or 7.
I think it's 09.
Are you going to throw in the gutter?
Hell no! This one's for you, Brad.
Still 9.
You got it out there.
Oh, that's 9? That's huge. I might miss it just because.
How'd you like being two-handed?
Great. I mean, the extra splits are a little hard to overcome at the beginning, but the extra bird dog's pretty cool. $220. That's a good game on this lane. I gotta get 4. We're not. Wait, were they walled?
Great game.
Thanks for being on the channel, guys. Thank you. Well done. Thank you for. Well done.
Well done.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for playing. Thanks for balling one frame, guys. Appreciate it. Please, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, like it, and comment down below if you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see us do this again, if we do it again, it probably won't happen for another year. Also, subscribe to the channel and subscribe to everyone else's channels. We're gonna pin their links down below in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Peace.